Let me guess, you've heard people talk about Power BI, dashboards, visuals, insights, and you're excited to start. But the moment you tried to install it, something went wrong. Trust me, I've been there too. And that's why I decided to create this video to help you install Power BI in minutes without that confusion. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Esther Anago, and this is the start of a brand new beginner series where I would help you to set up your environment for data analysis. And we're going to be starting with one of my favorites, Power BI. But before we dive into setup, let's understand what Power BI is. So Power BI is a business intelligence tool by Microsoft that helps you connect to data, transform data, and create interactive, beautiful dashboards, all without being a programmer. It is widely used by data analysts, business professionals, and organizations to turn their raw data into insights. So if you've thought of building a dashboard that make people go, wow, then Power BI is a great place to start. All right, let's go into the main part, downloading Power BI. And there are two simple ways to do that, and I'll be showing you both. The first is to download from the Microsoft
Click
Store.
on the search bar icon on your taskbar and type Microsoft Store. When it appears, open it. It usually comes pre-installed on all Microsoft Windows computers. Inside the Microsoft Store, click the search bar at the top and type Power BI. You will see Microsoft Power BI Desktop by Microsoft Corporation. Click it. Then click install or get depending on what shows up for you. Once it finishes downloading, you can launch it directly or you find it by typing Power BI Desktop in your Windows search bar. And that's it. Quick and simple. So if for any reason the Microsoft Store doesn't work for you or you prefer downloading directly, here will be the second option. Open your browser and search for Microsoft Power BI. Click the official Microsoft link that has the download option. And once the page opens, you will see a list of different Power BI options: Power BI Desktop, Power BI Mobile, Power BI Reports, Power BI Server, and Power BI Data Gateway. Don't get confused. The one we need is Power BI Desktop, and that's the version you will use to build and design your reports locally on your laptop. So you click on download and then it redirects you to the Microsoft Store. And so, like we did earlier, you click on get or install depending on what it shows up for you, and that's it. And then the other method is to click on advanced download options by scrolling down, and then you click download if you prefer English. If you don't prefer English, then you go back and select your preferred language and you click on download. When you click on download, it starts downloading immediately. But remember to select the correct version for your laptop. That's Power BI desktop setup, whether it is 64 or 32 for most modern systems. And once it is downloaded, you double click the file and then you follow the installation steps. And that's it. Once installation is done, you search for Power BI Desktop in your Windows search bar and open it, and then you are ready to go. Now, before we move on, let's clear up something that confuses many beginners: the difference between Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service. So, Power BI Desktop is what we just installed. It is used to build, to design reports on your computer, while Power BI Service is the online version. You can publish, share, and collaborate on your reports there. Now, let's quickly look around the Power BI interface. On the left, you will find three main icons: the report view, where you build your visuals, the data view where you see your data sets, and the model view where you find relationships between tables. So you can also click on it to confirm that, and then you can click on get data to connect your first data source, Excel, SQL, web data, and much more. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and set up Power BI.
Now that your Power BI is ready, don't stop here. The next thing is to learn how to use it. I recently hosted a live session on an introduction to Power BI. The link is up here. You can watch it. It's going to help you to get comfortable with using Power BI. So watch it. And of course, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on anything. And again, this is just the beginning of the data to setup for beginner series.